Hi guys!
Hi.
Welcome back to my channel. Now we are in Tour France. We travel from Andorra and now I'm so excited to go to checking in our Airbnb. Let's go! We're here. We're searching our Airbnb. It's like 2 minutes away. I show you the way. I think we are here. We are here. Look at all the stuff.
Here I can play. I stolen to the kids. Open.
Now what he do? Oh. Is it nice?
Yeah.
Let's go inside. Let's take a look inside. This is I guess this is the bed. Kitchen. There's like the table for eat, table for work. One can be the sofa and the bed. And the bathroom here. It's quite small, but it was good, I think. Here I have everything, like the oven, the microwave, the coffee machine, the soak. You have a trouble? You have the trouble?
Sí, I don't know how it works. Ah, vale, ahora. I know how it works now. How is?
It's good.
Está bien, ¿no?
Está bien. For the whole weeks.
What is this one?
Heater? Air
No
condition?
have air condition, no? No.
Oh, I like this one.
The map.
Now we're going to get more thing. Now let's stop here and we get more thing. Let's go.
Let's go. Bien, vamos.
We already bring everything here.
Oh, too much things.
Now we're going to unpack. We try to do the bed. This sofa, this can be sofa versus the bed. But we don't know how. Now we figure it out. Oh my goodness.
I'm broke.
I'm not. Oh my.
Again.
The other side. You in here. Ah, ya está.
Ahí está.
That's it.
Finally.
That's it. In it. We have the bed. Look, our bed and our pillow. This one is our pillow.
That one we bring.
Everywhere. Yes.
Oi.
Oh, yes. There's this one toy and was in that one. Look at that. Ooh. This is mine. It's such a long road trip. 7 hours. From Andorra to here. And now we are hungry. And I'm going to cook rice. Rice with egg and with sardine in tomato sauce. It's boiling. I think my egg is done. Now time to cook the rice. He dead.
I'm tired.
I will open this cow wall. It's like sardine in tomato sauce. It's hard. Let's cook. Yay! We already having dinner and we're going to walk outside a little bit and then go to buy some stuff in the gas station and then come back and rest. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe, like and also share. I will see you guys next videos. Bye.